In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your loyalty cards onto your Klarna account. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Klarna application on your smartphone. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you may proceed with your email address and your password, or you can use your passkey to log in quicker as well. Once you have been taken into your homepage, you can find your loyalty card section right at the beginning. Tap on the Add button inside the card section, or you can tap on the plus option at the top right as well. You will then be asked to choose your card type. If your card is connected to your phone number, you will need to choose the phone number option. Otherwise, tap on the other card section, and now you will be asked to use your camera to scan your barcode. You can also enter your card number manually by tapping on the Enter Card Number Manually section. Alternatively, you can also upload the image of your card. Proceed with either one of these options, and then enter the card number and the store name, followed by any relevant information that you may be asked. After entering all of these, you can tap on the Add button, and now your loyalty card will be added to your account right away. You can add as many cards as you wish, as long as they are legit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your loyalty card onto your Klarna account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.